Welcome to Communication for Happiness, and the topic, the cue card in hand, is describe an interesting bird which you like so recently. And the cues are name of the bird, describe the bird, and why do you find it interesting. Birds, they are unique creations of this God. They not only make us happy by their melodious sounds, but also they help a lot in the ecosystem. Ecosystem होता है जो आदमियों का और नेचर का जो इंटरडिपेंडेंसी है, आपस में उसका उसका हार्मनी, उसका संतुलन रहना, दैट इज कॉल्ड इकोसिस्टम. And I'm a great lover of birds, and here I'd like to describe a bird which I find very interesting, and the bird is eagle. See, to be frank, का मतलब अगर साफ साफ बताऊं, I had not seen eagle face to face until 1 month back. What happened means like before this, I used to watch this bird on TV because I always watch Discovery and Geo Wild, these channels, and they broadcast many programs on birds. So like somewhere it was the TV which which enticed me, which motivated me. Entice का मतलब अंदर से मुझे tempt करना to know more about the birds. Couple of days back, I went to my village, and there I saw some eagles for the first time. For the first time, मतलब पहली बार. For the first time, when I was entering into my village, like there were some trees, and these eagles, they were like sitting on the tops of those trees. When I describe this bird, like it's the strongest bird, I think, because when it comes to its power, like it is very powerful, and like it can fly for hours. Fly for hours. You must have seen, like when they are when they like fly in the sky, they keep flying for many hours. And second thing is like its strength. It can attack, means like its beak, beak, beak होता चोंच. Its beak is very strong, and it's a bit pointed, थोड़ा सा मुड़ी हुई होती. It's a bit pointed. Okay. And I have seen on TV that it can attack its prey, prey, preys, very fiercely, fiercely, खतरनाक ढंग से, and it never gives them a chance to survive, to save their lives. It's like when we talk about its wings, they are also very powerful. That's why it can fly for so many hours. And its paws, its paws, like they have got very great grip, because when they were sitting on the top of the trees, I could very well assume of the power of their like paws. And like it's not a very huge bird when it comes to its weight. I think it is not more than 8 to 9 kg. It's my assumption. Actually, I have never weighed. WEIGHED, weigh. WEIGH, वे माने किसी को तोलना, किसी का भार मापना. I have never weighed. And there are plethora of, plethora, plethora of, का मतलब होता है many. There are plethora of reasons why I like this bird, why I find it interesting, because this bird, like no, it teaches me so many things. Means like when it flies very high. Tells us that if you want to become great, means people will respect you if you are on the top. Second thing, like it's known for its focus. When it attacks on some animals, like it it pinpoint का मतलब पहचान लेना. It just keeps them into in his eyes from a very far away place, and it comes and attack them. So this bird is known for its focus. So these two things I like in this bird. So this is the answer of this question. You can conclude it like this. So eagle is the bird which I find quite interesting. This is the answer of this question. Dr. Sushil, if you have any problem regarding anything uh, of the contents of this question, you can put your comment. I'll answer. Communication for Happiness is the name of our institute. It's in Panipat, and we deal in IELTS, PTE, study visa, French, and spoken English. Thank you very much.